There's like a rainbow around the moon. This is the craziest thing I've ever seen in my life. I thought I was on acid or something. Like, all those clouds just move so fast. Look at that. The moon is moving so fast. Watch it. Look how fast it's moving. It's like traveling in the sky. Watch. Look at it. You see those colors around it? It's fucking amazing. I can't believe this. This is the weirdest thing I've ever seen. Look at how fast the moon is moving. It's like a ball. Do you see those colors? Oh my god. Look at how fast it's moving. I've never seen the moon move like that. I can't believe it. It's fucking absurd. Watch how fast it's moving. I'm gonna try and hold it really still. It doesn't look like it's moving. To me it looks like it's moving. I'm having to move the camera and look, it's already going to go out of the scope. That's how fast it's moving. Look, it's already out of the scope of the camera now. Watch, I move it up, I'm not moving, I'm not moving it, I'm not moving it. Look at how fast it's going to go out of the camera. I didn't move it down, I promise, look. Watch, tilting it up a little bit, it's moving. I think I'm done.